Absolutely. Look at these black birds. We're just seeing a lot. And there's a squirrel over there. We're just having a Snow White moment here in the hood. You know? And blackbird, as far as I know, blackbird means this. Do not worry what others have to say about you, because you are protected by the Archangel Uriel. Whenever you feel like you're in a dark spot, dark moment, ask for Uriel to bring you light. So I appreciate that. And then look at the squirrel. Why are you showing off? Look at him showing off. Mira. Mira.
Should we name him? What should we name him?
Squirrel? I don't know. Squirrel friends.
Squirrel friend.
So squirrel means to save your money, save food, things like that, but also to have fun. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, animals. I wish humans behaved like you, but you know, we'll get there. We will get there.
The bird
Peace.
is Stevie Wonder and the squirrel is Frank Sinatra.
Oh, Frank Sinatra, baby. Yes. Nice and easy. No, I was singing, today I was listening to Nice and Easy by Frank Sinatra. Nice and easy does it. Nice and easy does it every time. Tell him, Frank. God bless you, baby.